The cat palm is a popular tropical palm known for its long, arching fronds and compact, low-growing growth habit. It is a slow-growing plant, but when well cared for can reach up to 6 feet in height, giving your space instant jungle vibes. Sized to ship best, our large cat palm arrives with room to grow as it adapts to your home's conditions. Each plant is unique, size and shape fluctuate by season, so all measurements are shown as a range. Large plant measures between 36 to 48 inches tall from the soil line to the top of the foliage. Arrives in 10-inch diameter grow pot. Large plants benefit from brighter light to help retain their mature foliage. Large plants require less frequent waterings due to their higher volume of soil. If you purchase a large plant with a planter, the planter will ship separately. Plant care. Thrives in medium to bright indirect light to morning direct sun, not suited for low light or direct afternoon sun. Water every 1 to 2 weeks, allowing soil to dry out halfway down between waterings. Expect to water more often in brighter light and less often in lower light. This plant is pet friendly. Sad plant signs: drooping leaves, dry potting mix, thirsty plant underwatered, leaf drop not enough light, mushy leaves or black stems overwatered, crispy brown leaves, low humidity or underwatering.